Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing another toy review. This is of Samus on Link. I got two of these while I was at Walmart getting stuff. So we have. I'm gonna show the packaging first. Thank you, for the convenience. Comes with a. I don't know if I'll get her. Comes with a Link toy, and here's the Metroid one. The actual toys. Now, with my girl Samus. Overall, I think the design is pretty good. Sorry, it's my first time not reviewing something that isn't a Bakugan. See, I think this overall looks really good. Like the whole detail and everything. I even like how the blaster has a hole in there. Like you're supposed to put something in. It doesn't come with anything. That's pretty weird though. Yeah, so for articulation. Swivel. Dang. She can move there. She has this, like, I don't know what this is called, but double hinge, I think. Yeah, this feels stiff. Very stiff. And she can do this. She can't turn it. Only up and down. This can give you some good range. So the arms are on this joint. If you can see here. I'm not pointing at her boob, I'm pointing at this one. So there's a joint there. And her arm has one of the ugliest things I've ever seen. What is this? And look at this arm. Oh. This looks hideous. The Link one. Anyways, sorry for the background noise. My dogs are barking. Yeah, so the weirdest arm articulation. So, oh yeah. I should do. Yeah, so she has a swivel at the hand. Some good at movability. The shoulders can do this. This is more like because you can go up and down. Has that satisfying. Oh, what? There it is. It does make me a little worried that it might break. Yeah, so they have this much range. You gotta work out. Yeah. Check out these muscles. I mean, Samus is pretty jacked at the games. Here we go. Head, not too much articulation. I feel like it's gonna break if I try moving it anymore. Overall, that's like the articulation. It's pretty good, aside from the horrendous arms. Looks like it makes her like a robot. She's not a robot. She's not a robot. I am not a bloody flipping robot. Oh yeah, she also comes with a morph ball. I always wondered how the heck she even does this. This is just magic to me. How does she fit in that? Oh, it's trying to run away. Yeah, so it's hollow plastic. Yeah, so that was Samus. Now for Link. Are you okay, Link? I think I gave him brain damage. Are you okay? I think I broke his head. Yeah, so the sculpting on this is amazing. And he's made by the same person who made Samus. Jakks Pecific. And I gotta say, this looks amazing. It feels good too, especially here. This just feels nice. A nice band. Now for the articulation. Let's start at the feet. He has pretty good range. He has these toe thingies. His ankles can Sorry about that. His ankles can swivel a bit. And knee, same as Samus, but he has a swivel to make up for his limited waist articulation. If you do it too much, it will pop off. And what he looks like? He's cursed. I'm not Link. I'm Zelda. Although I was not expecting this to be a separate piece, but I should put his waist back on. It takes a lot of effort, but you can get it on. Now for the shoulders. This right one, I don't know what's wrong with it, but it is extremely... Ah, shoot. Hold on. Are you done, Link? Ah, shoot. Hold on. Are you gonna fall apart again? Alright, so, this shoulder, it is extremely hard. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Like, look. I think it's actually breaking the seams because it's so tight. Because, like, yeah, but this arm, it's good. A little tight. Anyways, so the arm has a swivel point here. And has normal arms, unlike Samus. Seriously, why? What is this decision? What is with this? This is ugly. Yeah, and his hands, they work exactly like Samus's. Head, he can swivel. Not much because of hair. Overall, he's good, much better than Samus. But I think this weird right arm really just drags it down for me because it's just weird. At least this hand. Oh yeah, it comes with a sword. The sword in this hand. There we go. A little more killing. Pretty good. It's a little wobbly in there. But you get in the right poses. Looks pretty good. And I think I forgot to mention, because this is in the way, you can only do... You don't have much range. Where you can go. I actually popped this off. But overall, he's pretty good. So overall, him and Samus, I would definitely say I like Link more. But I prefer how loose Samus feels compared to Link's stiffness. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye. Samus.